Okay, our fourth example is gonna have our first twist, okay? We're still gonna look to eliminate, but right now as we look through, nothing cancels immediately. But I do notice a negative 5y and another negative 5y, okay? These are almost built to eliminate, but if I add anything plus itself, I just get twice whatever it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to make a change. Now, what we're gonna wanna do is change the sign of one of them. All right, but when I change the sign of one of them, I have to do everything in that equation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the bottom one, and I'll explain in a minute why. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna multiply the entire equation by -1. Okay, we're gonna distribute a -1. I shouldn't have drawn it here. So a -1 inside. I'm gonna distribute a -1 to the entire equation. When I do, I get -3x plus 5y equals -31. Now I'm not gonna change anything here. I'm just gonna rewrite equation 1 next to it. And what you can see is now y is set to cancel. So there were other ways I could have canceled the x. I can show it in a later video, but the y was the easiest one to change. I just had to make one change in sign and I could get the y's to cancel. Now, we're gonna add vertically at this point. 7x minus 3x gives me 4x. Anything plus its opposite is 0, so we eliminated the y. And now we have 59 minus 31, and that's gonna give us 28. We're gonna divide by the 4, so x is equal to 7. Now I can take that back to either equation. I'm gonna bring it back to the bottom one. I have 3x. I can go to the change one or I can go to the original one. I'm gonna go to the original. This is 3x or 3 times 7 minus 5y is equal to 31. So 3 times 7 is gonna give me 21 minus 5y equals 31. We'll go ahead and subtract 21 from both sides. So now I have -5y equals positive 10. We can divide by -5. And y is equal to -2. So we have the coordinate 7, -2. Single point, consistent, independent.